can do some small exercise. Hmm?
Yeah.
Can we do?
Yes.
Yes?
Why not?
Yeah.
Exercises are more fun.
Yeah, more fun and enlightening also.
Yeah.
We will have one bed sheet. We will make you do something which is really fun and also really make you feel what it is. Just one bed sheet. Let's say, yeah, Yogesh, you come here. Like this. Take it. Just a little bit. Your hand. Yeah, like this. Yeah. This much. So Akshay, come. You have to pass through this. Yes.
How can you pass that?
Okay.
Right. Push it. Come on, Akshay. Come on, come on, come on.
I will be sleeping.
Huh? She is sleeping. You otherwise will do it like this. We'll have this.
From this side.
Ah,
If the bed sheet like this.
Yeah, this. Yeah, here you come. You wish. Really good. Come.
So very
Akshay फंसा हुआ है.
Right, move your head.
Come on, push, 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 push. Birthing, rebirthing is happening. Push.
Yes, butter.
Very good, very good, very good. Yogesh is using two hands now. Very good.
That is also using now second hand. Good attempt from Akshay, really. Yeah, बुरा नहीं किया, इसका ही ज्यादा हो गया मेहनत.
चलो बस बेचारा भी उसका सिर दुखेगा नहीं तो.
सभी थक गए.
Everyone has to do this.
Everyone has to do this.
Yeah.
My God.
Oh God.
You have to know, right? How you have to really fill with hope.
अच्छा.
Huh?
So this is a symbol of what
This is how birthing happens.
birthing happens.
And it's what
I
you call,
thought
there
so.
is a lot of pain,
Ah, yes.
struggle.
That is the
There's a lot
main.
of struggle.
Yeah.
in-
Any cesarean babies here?
No, I had a cesarean.
I had, yeah, even.
But you were not born out of cesarean.
No.
So when you are not born out of this struggle, you don't know how to deal with struggle.
But you know,
Yes.
my cesarean was an emergency cesarean, Shravan. Like my baby
That's
got
okay.
stuck.
That's okay.
Ah.
But what I mean to say is,
Hey, my plants.
you have to have some, right? When you are doing this, was it easy?
Mine
So what were you doing?
Trying to come out.
Pushing hard, right?
Yes.
Trying hard.
Facing pain, a lot
somehow
of
or the other, what means trying to come out of that, you know, putting in all your efforts. So the intelligence of the baby is that much is there.
Yeah.
Then.
That's what naturally this is happening. Naturally you are being made ready. So let's do this. We'll have 2 more bed sheets, one for women and one for men. Whoever have not gone through the thing, they have to go through this.
Come here.
One more bed sheet you will get. Just
Come
just
on, I
push
and
that.
Rekha will start and.
नहीं, I will not.
No, everyone
हाँ?
has to. You
नहीं
have
होगा.
हाँ, मेरे को
try तो करो थोड़ा
बस नहीं,
ये करना
इसका
पड़ेगा.
केस है ना, वो ड्राई स्किन होगी ना तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है, इसीलिए और कुछ
See, you are escaping from life.
No, sir.
You have
Really,
to.
I'm telling you.
No, you have said you will get
How
reborn.
can I tell you? I have told her. Kundi.
मग नवीन जर जन्म घ्यायचा असेल तर सगळ्या महिन्यात बाहेर पडायला पाहिजे ना.
So now
I told her.
Yogesh and Ramesh will go to the hand. And Yogesh will go through. हाँ, जो Ramesh and Akshay will hold the hands.
Stitches है ना, सीधर की वो भी मेरे को dry है ना, skin age factors. पीछे मुड़ी, फिर वो strain पड़ेगा ना तो मैं बैठ नहीं पाऊंगी ना इसलिए और sorry.
See, first. You people also start. Yeah.
Okay.
Here we can
So
start.
Chaitli and me will do the first
हाँ,
one and
Rekha will insert.
हाँ, Rekha.
She will try best.
Hold it hard, don't give them that chance.
आपको देखना है कोई spectator से ना that I.
Give them the feel of really they have to increase their energy, their confidence, and their hope that they will go through it. Otherwise, there will be hopelessness. You can come from
From
there.
that side.
From that side, it's easy.
बहुत weak.
वो तो उससे यही हो रहा है.
You should hold it tight. How to pass through that?
इससे क्या हो गया?
Sidrin.
Very beautiful comments.
I'll show you how you can.
Beautiful comments. No doubt.
Yeah, hold, I'll show you. Hold, I'll show how we can do that easily. Hold.
हाथ में दर्द है हाथ दर्द है
देता है वो.
तो अभी इजीली जाएगा कोई भी अभी हाथ में दर्द है
हम किसको
Let me just cut me up.
No, no, scissors चाहिए.
Hold.
अच्छा, let's see if Shravan doing it first.
Yeah, hold first. See, you are doing like this. First go like this. Okay? And put your hands.
Sir, come out a little bit. वो ऐसे बोलते हैं वो, डॉक्टर बोलते हैं.
Push, come on,
Yes,
Shravan.
I'm using the gynecologist language.
This big shield is not helping. Remove the big shield.
नहीं, even the-
नहीं, नहीं, you're
possible.
It's okay, it's okay.
ये ठीक है.
But this is slipping, na? I'm not getting the
तो
friction.
उल्टा अचानक स्लीपिंग से तो ज्यादा
It's
चाहिए
okay.
ना. फिर नहीं, लेकिन
It's okay.
it is not okay. मतलब it's not possible.
Huh?
नहीं,
But-
I
It's very
can.
rare.
Yeah,
ऐसे करके फिर पूरा ऐसे बाहर निकल सकते हैं.
hold.
But हम force कर रहे हैं
चाहिए.
हम थोड़ा ये होना पड़ेगा.
Because we
Energy.
have
नहीं नहीं, you
Not
hold it
Otherwise,
like them.
if put the energy,
Yeah.
force,
हाँ.
it's too difficult to come inside.
That's
We
why
have
difficulty is there.
example.
You put it and show.
श्योर
Difficulty is there.
बेडशीट हाथ खाली का
हाँ, ये बिग शीट थोड़ा स्लिप होता है. ये छोड़ दो.
दूसरी चाहिए आपको भी?
ये कुछ तो देखो।
नहीं नहीं उधर मत कर
सर वो आपको ये हाथ को ही होता है
दुखेगा
हाँ
हाँ
सर मदर को भी थोड़ा सपोर्ट करो ना वाई और ये करनी चाहिए कम दिस
Come on, Shravan. Great.
yes yes you can do it sir
Great.
पुश
Oh my
तो
God,
बॉम्बे
yes.
कौन बोलता होगा कमांड कमांड कौन
Yes,
बोलेगा उधर
yes.
लौटा बोलते हैं पुश पुश
हाँ, उसको ये मदर को बोलते हैं ना यस यस
I need to remove my socks
You know what? Shravan, nature is also facilitating. The contractions do push the baby down, and the mother's effort is also helping. Right? Right?
Two ways.
Come here. Try to come.
yeah
ठीक है come to know the main purpose अलग अलग
But the main purpose is
हाँ
how is the baby feeling? You know? Yes. Wow. Great.
no two hands no two
Come
hands
on. Wow. Fantastic.
you have to give him hope also
हाँ
Yes,
yes
yes.
yes
Yeah.
huh?
yes
Right.
so now Yogesh you go
योगेश ने हाँ
हाँ he did
no he did not pass through no?
ओके ज्यादा लोग हो ना थक जाते हैं हाथ पकड़ पकड़ के कोई भी इसमें पास हो जाएगा
नहीं थोड़ा ट्राई तो करने
Try,
दीजिए
try.
देन
first hand and then
तेरे चेयर लगी तो जोर से
give
good good attempt
सर ने छोड़ दिया आप देखिए
हाँ वो चेयर एकदम जोर से
see you need to feel success also na? otherwise
yes
people have done everyone
yeah
Only she has done.
oh I
how
told
you
her
do two people
I told her
finish it
Just
off.
experience it. Just enjoy it.
you have
How
to
much
feel that right
Enjoy the moment.
make it like this
तर सोडून नको हा हात
चलो करो.
चष्मा
try my best
हाँ, चश्मा.
try
मेरे को तो अभी से डर लग रहा है.
ट्राई टू गो ऑन लेग
हाँ वो भी sometimes possible है. No, yes.
लेग से एकदम अपन जैसे रहते ना
Good. Come on. आपको नहीं
सबका कॉम्परेचर अच्छा
छूट गया automatically
वही करेगा कॉम्परेचर
That's
चलो
good.
आप आओ.
okay
आता कोण करणार तुझं
हाँ,
काय
हाँ.
एक ही चलेगा
नाही आता इंग्लिशला तर येत नाही ना हात करून येतं मी
wow very good good
Really nice. Very good.
I got a technique like stay pause let them feel like I'm not going to go and then back go out
So, these kinds of thoughts you had every time you were having when you were coming out of your mother's
Yes,
womb.
yes. वो होता है ना अक्सर चैताली से मुझे ध्यान है वो पानी का होता है ना सपोर्ट से ही हो जाता है सेम थिंग यू डिड गुड वेरी गुड
Because these are the earliest impressions.
Great exercise, yeah. Very nice.
You can try coming out from legs.
Huh?
You can try coming out from legs.